Ain't nobody's down but us.
Hey my lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and I am back like a crack at it with another video. And in this video we're going to be doing another TikTok hairstyle. I'm just loving these little TikTok hairstyles. I need something real quick. I go back to work in 2 days. So sad, but I'm going to show y'all the hairstyle. And it's giving very much early 2000s, and I'm feeling it.
Listen to these tracks, bitch. Got the way you moving, got me in the trance.
Very easy.
Ladies get so jammed. I'ma send Moscato, and you gon' get the bands.
This audio is so hilarious.
Why you do it with no hands? Girl, drop it to the floor. Love the way your booty goes. All I wanna do is sit back and watch it moving up and see the notice can.
Oh ladies, C-O-G's.
Care while they be, care what's so sweet.
Long as you don't care.
When she walks, she gets that brown skin or a yellow bone. DJ just pop every song, so I'ma make it thunderstorm. Bug on it.
So that's the hairstyle I'm going to be recreating today. Adding my own little twist to it. It's cute, very simple. Probably shouldn't take that long. And yes, let's hop right into this video. So my hair is already blow dried and it's just in a little raggedy ponytail right now. Alright, so we're gonna start off with our parts, and I'm gonna start off with the back part. I'm gonna take some of this Tik maximum hold edge braid and lock gel, and I'm just gonna crisp that part up some more.
In my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you call. I say I'm not home.
Alright, so I'm gonna add one braid going up the side right here and right here.
I wonder if you know, do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window.
So since this side has my bald spot, we're gonna try to finesse it. I'm gonna take some hair from this back section. Alright y'all, so we got that as good as we gonna get it. I had to finesse this side a little bit, but I think it's gonna work out fine. I think. I don't know. So we're gonna try to braid up these two things now. I never did this before, so we gonna figure this out together. I'm gonna try to braid like going like that. Now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and sleek our ponytails into the ponytails. And I'm gonna be using Eco Styler and edge glue. And then I'm gonna start with the back section. Alright, so I left these out because I thought it would be cute to do like a little braid action right here as well. So these won't be the only braids. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using to make my buns. It's the Expression Twisted Up Springy Bohemian hair in the color Macchiato. I got the 3-tone one. Oh, wait, 1, 2. Yeah, I got the 3-tone one because I'm just not sure which color match my hair. So we're just gonna use all 3. And it comes with 3 bundles, so I'm gonna use 1 bundle per bundle. So she just wrapped the rubber band around one end and then attached it to her ponytail. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna attach one end. I have some regular rubber bands right here. And since we're putting the rubber bands on my real hair, I'm gonna go ahead and oil up the rubber bands so it won't cause no breakage. And I'm gonna attach it to my back ponytail. So my hair isn't as long or as thick as hers, but we still gonna finesse it. We're gonna redo that. I actually thought it would be easier if I put my hair in a little donut, in a little ball. Alright, so I'm liking the buns. I could smush it down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with some hairpins just to make it a little more secure. I'm going to gel up some of the flyaways, let it set, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. So far, I'm liking it so far. I'm just gonna mess with it some more, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Alright, you guys, so I finished the finishing touches. So, are you guys ready? So, you guys, this is the final look. I went ahead and added some beads to these braids and some gold hoops to the braids on the side. And this is how we looking. I actually like how it turned out. It's pretty cute. It's very different. Let me show y'all the back. I really do like this hairstyle, and if you made it to this part of the video, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.